we're down here in Edgewood, and we're going to check out the split down here. We're, what, about 15 miles out of Effingham, right?
15 miles out of Effingham.
And this is where these two lines split. See if we can
goes to
jump up.
Metropolis.
See if we can jump up here.
Fulton, Kentucky.
Go back in. Yeah, that one that splits off goes down to Metropolis.
Metropolis, and
the other one goes down south to Fulton, Kentucky, and then
Fulton, Kentucky.
they branch back up.
Yep.
But there it is. Look, they put. Let's see here. Yeah, here it is, right here. So we could have. Yeah, there we are, right there on that split. So we got. Where's the main at? The main's over here on this side, right?
Yep.
Okay, so
the main's over here.
We walk across here. We got two lines going in off this second line. So let's look real quick. That's a very active line too. But this line straight down, that goes to Centrailia, and goes in, down to KY and down into Fulton, and then here's the line splits off and goes to Metropolis. So it's basically, we call it the Edgewood Split.
Edgewood Split.
Let's check these lights.
Yes.
I just wanted to see.
I didn't know they had two.
What is this? Well, we got a switch there. What's right here? Yeah,
goes
see?
Here, goes to that track here, and goes around that curb.
Yeah.
Goes around that curb, right there.
There's a switch there.
Switches.
And then you're getting on
this one.
And there's this.
It goes down and hooks onto the main.
Yeah. And this goes to Effingham.
That goes back to Effingham. This one goes to Centrailia. And this one, like, these two go back towards Metropolis.
Wonder if we can see. If we walk down here and walk down, see if we can check them lights real quick.
Yeah, we can check them lights down there.
And we'll show you where the old B&O ran. B&O Railroad ran up there.
In Baltimore, Ohio.
Yeah.
Ran back in the 1800s.
That line would run down into Flora. You can still see the. You can still see the bump. You can see the bump where it was at, which is kind of cool.
Yep, so
hopefully, will be kind of cool to catch something coming off this split. I've caught the. Remember, I caught that one. Yeah, I caught that CN100 splitting off south, heading towards Metropolis. I've never caught one.
Coming from Metropolis.
Yeah, northbound.
Northbound.
But we'll check out these lights here.
Check out these lights. We can check them out. See what we got.
Been dead in Effingham, so.
Yeah, it's been dead in Effingham.
Really dead.
Really dead. Really.
You had a couple Death Stars today, right?
Death Stars came through today.
What else came through?
A CNN with a City Rail.
Well, they're calling in now.
Yep.
They just called in.
You called in?
Yeah. 160190.
Well, okay.
So maybe.
We might have one coming through.
I don't know if we can see. Hopefully we can see these northbound lights.
That's right here. Red back there. That's the.
It'd be cool to see these northbound lights.
That's going back towards Effingham.
Yeah.
This one right here is the one we're going to do. These two right here we have to check out because these are two we got to go on.
They do this to ease up the traffic.
Yeah, to take this one down. So we have this one open.
West Pass on the main.
That's Effingham.
What he said, West Pass on the main.
Yeah, West Pass on the main.
So we may get lucky, and
we might get lucky.
look at this. There's some equipment right here. Looks like
Some old,
looks like they tore them all out.
yep, old plates that hold the rails in. Pull them all out, put some fresh in.
Yeah, see, I wonder if he maybe came up here and... Yeah, see, they made sure... What we all red there?
Yep, we're right there.
All red.
And we can't
All
see
those
that
signals.
there.
We got one in Sigel. They said how far from Sigel, so we should have a southbound train coming.
Coming this way then. Okay.
Let's take a look and see.
Okay, this signal on this curb here, it's red.
Okay.
And then the one on the main over there, on that one's red, but the other two we can't see yet. We have to go across and see them.
We'll check it out.
Check it out and see if...
Hopefully we'll get a train running through here.
you said not too far from Siegel.
This just goes right out into the country. I mean, it's
small, right to the country.
that's where Iowa has the...
Iowa and whatever small towns going down through there. All the way to Metropolis.
Yeah, Iowa has
Yeah.
the train bridge, right?
Train bridge, yep.
Yeah. It's kind of cool. It runs back behind McLeod here. We can run up here real quick. Look how far that ballast goes down.
Yeah, that'd be a big dip.
I can't see. We'll have to go back just a little bit.
The one on the bottom is red. I know that.
Oh, is it?
Yes. But the top one I can't.
Yeah, see, it curves right around. Right out into the country. I need to run out in the country sometime and
Yeah, we do.
find out what's that.
We got one on the red bottom, we got one up there with red on it.
Well, we'll take a look and
You
see.
can't see because we have to come up here and run across that box and check them out.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're up here in Edgewood. We're just taking a look at that southbound split down here, and we have a train coming. He's heading northbound. Yep, here he comes. There he goes. Heading towards Effingham, and I'm guessing we're going to have a southbound train coming through here. Because we had one coming out of Siegel on the West Pass.
Yep, the West Pass.
So he's waiting down on the West Pass. So he's probably down in the yard waiting. And it'll probably take him, what, you say about 10 minutes to get into town?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Maybe 10, 15 minutes.
10, 15.
And then hopefully by that time, maybe we'll have a southbound running through here. So, that'd be excellent. Get a couple trains down here at the split. Alright guys, we'll check you on the next video. Looks like Effingham's do some new boxes here. See, this one's going on, where's North 1900th? These might be going out into the country.
I think he's running in the country of Effingham.
There's some new lights here too. Check out those lights.
New
Look at those.
gate signals.
Yeah, there's some new signals. What the hell are those? I don't think I've ever seen any of them looking like that before.
Yep.
This one's going, this one here's going on 1900th. What's the other one?
Effingham, North 2200th Street.
That one's going on, yeah, 2200th Street. So these are out in the country. And then what's this other one?
Effingham.
1950th.
50th Street, Effingham.
New railroad boxes, cool.
And then Effingham again. North 1800th Street, Effingham. My marker 172.20.
And we'll have to
They're
check
all
that out.
in the country.
Yeah, these are all country boxes here.
You know, country boxes.
For and looks like they're probably going to replace some of the gates too over here.
Yeah, I'm going to put some of the gates and
Check.
here.
What are these bases for, I wonder? Wonder if those are for... Those could be for railroad gates, right?
Yeah, it could.
Those are some...
Look like
Those are, yeah, see, I don't think they have the... they don't have the headings on them and stuff. That's why they look like that.
look like rabbit ears.
They look like rabbit ears, what they look like,
They
yeah.
look like rabbit ears. Yeah, they look like rabbit ears.
There's an old signal there.
Yeah, there's no signal over there.
Yeah, check that out. Let's see if I can get a... Yeah, zoom in on that. That's pretty cool.
That's
They've got...
pretty cool back there.
So all those boxes are going out into the country. I need to find out where. I don't know if they're going out into... Because being Effingham County, so it have to be...
Back that way.
Maybe up in... between here and Mason, maybe?
Between here and Mason.
Or Watson.
Between here and Mason to Effingham.
Yeah.
That area. On the country roads.
And there's their sign there. There's the old... Check out that old signal.
The old signal right there. That's an old one.
Interesting up here. Like I said, hopefully we'll have a green light and
Green light
we'll
here
catch
in a
some
little
more... Catch some more trains coming through here. You can see
Inlands of the Bolton, Ohio.
Baltimore and Ohio, B&O.
And, straight Florida, Illinois, to probably
Yeah.
Chicago.
You can see it right here, guys.
Yeah, it went to Alabama, Illinois, Edgewood, Illinois, Florida, Illinois.
Yeah, right here. You
Yep,
can see
right
the
down the remnants of it.
ran right here. We had a diamond.
Right down.
Looks like there might be some houses down there now, but
Yeah, look,
check
there's
that out. You can
some
see where it
railroad
once
ties. There's
ran.
railroad ties.
Is it really? Yeah, there are.
There's more railroad ties right there where the old B&O.
The remnants of the old B&O right there. That's cool.
And right over there, over, there's a track road over there. At the edge where that comb was. It's going that way, so we had to have another.
Oh, I bet it was split and coming off.
Yep.
Probably split and came off onto.
Because the railroad track, look like it's coming this way. I bet.
Where did you see that at?
Down there where that orange comb was.
There's some trackage.
Yeah, there's some trackage down there.
Let's take a look at that.
Yeah, we'll check that out.
I didn't see that at all.
Yeah, I did.
Well, see, I'm
You
guessing.
filmed the boxes, so
I'm guessing that
it branched off.
it branched off from Illinois Central,
Right there, branched off onto the B&O.
and then branched off on
Yeah,
a little bit of the remnants left of this.
Just a little bit.
There's a little bit of it down in Flora,
A little bit on Flora.
which you can find that. I
Yep.
filmed that depot down there.
Yep.
Oh, there it is, right there,
Right to the track.
right here.
One piece of the track for the B&O.
She's buried now.
Barely, Burlington and Baltimore, Ohio.
Yeah, right there.
On the piece of the
one of the remnants, and I guarantee you that ran.
Ran right across.
It's all buried now.
Right there, right across that way.
And then branched onto that.
Branched onto the b&orailroad.
Pretty cool stuff.
Pretty cool stuff down here in Edgewood.
Yeah, I like that. Like I said, I like to find any of this old railroad history. But
old railroad history.
Up there under that I-57 bridge.
Yeah, there's a.
There's you can see some of the remnants of it as well.
72, we go through Altamont.
Yes.
That B&O went right through there. Underneath that 70 bridge.
I don't see. I was trying to see if there's any more trackage down here. See, this might have been. Looks like this is probably the beginning of the crossing.
Yeah, the beginning.
To where you could walk over it.
Yeah, right here.
Right here, and then you walked over the crossing, and then, like I said, there must have been a railroad crossing here at one time.
Yep, must be a railroad crossing.
But yeah, you can kind of see. If I can zoom in, check in that bump. B&O.
B&O, Baltimore and Ohio.
I forgot how long they say that was out of. It's been out of. I mean, it was there in 1988. I do know that, but it was abandoned way before that.
Yeah, it was abandoned.
Way before that.
Yeah, it was abandoned way before that.